Lawmakers from both houses of Congress are agreed a reenacted budget is a legislative taboo, especially if the budget to be reinstated is tagged as the most corrupt and graft-ridden ever. Our Luisa Erispe has more on senators of the 20th Congress vowing a non-repeat of the 2025 budget and its double whammy repercussions.
There will be no reenactment of the 2025 budget. This is what the Senate clarified upon today's resumption of session for the period of amendments on the proposed 2026 budget. According to Senate President Vicente Soto III, he is confident the budget can be passed into law before year's end because they will never allow the reenactment of the most corrupt budget in Congress history.
Huwag natin kaya madali sapagkat ang i-re-enact natin budget, the most corrupt budget ever. Hindi natin papayagan yun.
This is also what Senate President Pro Tempore Panfilo Lacson said. According to him, they are exhausting all efforts and working overtime to finish the budget.
Wala. Hindi mangyayari.
Malabo yung reenacted, sir.
We'll try to finish the individual amendments and approval of second reading today. Yun ang pag-usapan namin ni SP. Maski abutin kami ng hanggang mamayang gabi. Unless bumagyo ng malakas na hindi kami makapag-bycam.
After the period of amendments, they plan to approve the budget on second reading today and perhaps on third reading by Friday. After this will be the 3-day bicameral conference.
Kung ma-approve mamaya, today's Tuesday, easily on Friday, we can approve it on third reading. Yeah. Para pag-print over the weekend, next week, pwede mo schedule ng bycam.
But the minority bloc of the Senate wants clarifications first on some items of the budget, especially on the unprogrammed funds. Minority Leader Senator Alan Peter Cayetano wants a clear and transparent list of programs or line items for the unprogrammed funds.
Not only the stigma, but also yung sa flood control, and then also, etong unprogrammed, medyo, kailangan talagang himayin. This is another animal. Until we figure this out, may magiging lamat pa rin tong budget na to.
He insists that if the Senate really wants transparency, it should be given fully to the Filipino people. Senator Lacson said they will assure that the Senate version of the budget will be free of red flags, especially those from the budget of the Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH.
Ngayon, mag-a-amend kami. Mababaliwala na yon yung mga allocables. Wala na. Masipag yung aming finance chairman. Nakita niya rin eh. So sa committee amendments lang, I'm sure mawawala na yun eh. May mga individual pa. Ako may mga papatilit ako eh.
The Senate's target is for President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to sign the budget on December 29. Luisa Erispe for the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.